Hi guys! So it's Sunday morning and guess where we are? Nandito kami sa ospital. So dinala namin si baby CELINE dito around 30 minutes ago. She's sleeping. Sobrang nag-aalala kami guys kasi kagabi umabot ng 39 degrees yung kanyang fever at ngayong umaga mainit pa rin siya, and yeah, she started vomiting and yeah, kaya sobrang nag-aalala na kami. And yeah, sabi ni Daddy Mike na we'll take CELINE to the hospital kasi alam niyo naman kung nanood kayo ng videos na from June or July, diba, it happened also, and we came here and they found out na meron siyang UTI. So meron na siyang history ng UTI, so we're so worried na baka it's the same thing kasi yung symptoms na pinapakita niya ay the same, yung pagsusuka, lagnat, and worse now kasi meron pa siyang conjunctivitis. So at first, akala ko wala na kasi nawala na naman yun. But last night, nag-start na naman. So kaninang umaga, pagkagising niya, yung kanyang mata ay sobrang hindi niya ma-open kasi nga dahil sa pus sa kanyang mata. Sleeping. Sobrang iyak niyan kasi nakakaintindi na siya na nandito kami sa ospital. Hindi siya mapakali kanina. Yeah, yung pagsusuka niya, like it's been, I think, consecutive na 3 nights yung nagsusuka siya. And I understand kasi may ubo tsaka sipon. Kaya, di ba, yung mga kids, there's no way to release the, yung sipon or yung phlegm. Kasi hindi pa sila marunong mag-blow ng nose or umubo na makuha talaga yung phlegm. So, at the moment, parang bumabara sa kanyang lalamunan, ganun. So, na-irritate siya. Kaya siya nagsusuka. But we just want to clear everything na. We just want to make sure na there's nothing else na serious about it. Kasi, mahirap na, diba? Mabuti na yung mas maagapan agad. Yan. So, hindi maganda yung tulog namin kagabi. Obviously, kasi paiyak-iyak siya, gumigising. Sobrang init niya kagabi, grabe. Tapos, sobrang dami niyang sinuka. This morning, binigyan namin siya ng Nurofen, mga 6:30. And nag-kick in kaagad. She felt better, na parang she was a bit normal again. Like, she was talking and she was playing, ganun. But, even though nag-work yung Nurofen, pag later on, pag nag-wear off na naman yun, baka iyak na naman yan. But we want to get the bottom of it, kung ano talaga yung dahilan, kung bakit pabalik-balik yung kanyang lagnat, yung kanyang ubo, ang kanyang sore eyes. Yan. So, meron kami ditong ganyan. Ayan. So, kuha tayo ng sample ng ihi ni baby CELINE, which is very, very hard to do. Kasi, hintayin mo na umihi siya. We got this one just in case na magsuka din siya. At, dinalhan kami ng doktor nito. Panadol para later.
A few moments later.
We're still waiting for the doctor. Still tulog pa rin. Ayan. So at least tulog siya. Nakaka-relax yung kanyang katawan. Daddy Mike took antivirus outside kasi naiinip na rin yung bata, guys. Naglalaro siya ng phone. Sinasabi niya na bakit wala pa daw yung doktor. So, ano na ba kami dito? Half an hour? More than half an hour na ata. So, the doctor is, busy. No? Kinlose namin ang door dyan, kasi sobrang iyak niya kanina. And she's making a move now. She wants to go out. Come here. You want to look at yourself? Okay. No. What happened? What happened to the camera? Huh? Oh, it's facing Mama now. That way. Peekaboo! Ow! Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! The Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin Man who lives in Drury Lane? What happened? The Muffin Man who lives in Drury Lane. So it's nearly 1 o'clock in the afternoon and kakauwi lang namin dito sa bahay, guys. So inuwi na namin tong isa. Yung ginawa nila nung nandun kami, chinek nila chest X-ray to make sure na walang pneumonia or, something wrong sa kanyang chest. And thankfully, sabi ng doctor, it seems to be like not serious yung parang may virus lang talaga. And unfortunately, hindi kami nakakuha ng kanyang sample ng kanyang ihi, guys. Kasi umihi siya doon, na-miss namin, and I felt so sad. Kasi sana ma-check na sana kung nakuha namin yung sample. But what can you do? It's very hard. Kasi she was walking around and she was like, yeah, she weed. So, hindi ko na salo yung kanyang ihi, guys. So, yung ginawa namin, sabi ng doctor, if you feel comfortable, you can go home. And, if pagdating nyo ng bahay, you feel like, you're worried kasi tumaas na naman ang lagnat or whatsoever. Sabi na, just bring her back anytime. So, yung ginawa ng doktor, pinadalhan na lang kami nito. Yung lalagyan ng sample ng kanyang ihi. Tapos, may mga, dito, parang letter for the GP. So, instead of balik doon sa hospital for the, sample, ay punta na lang kami ng GP. Pag nakakuha kami ng sample, kaya ito siya, wala tong salawal dito sa bahay para in case na umihi siya ay agad-agad masaloko. So pag nakakuha na kami ng sample, guys, dadalhin namin doon sa GP and then they will do the checking if, may UTI or whatnot. But you know what, guys? Ngayon lang to siya nag-relax ng ganyan. Alam niyo pa, nung pagdating namin dito sa bahay, nung sa sasakyan pa, oh my God, grabe, parang ginaganon-ganon niya talaga. Ewan ko, hindi ko talaga ma-explain. But yeah, at the moment, she seems to be okay, ganyan, Pero ganina, kung alam niyo lang, kung nakita niyo lang talaga, guys, hindi kasi ako makapag-vlog kapag ganyan yung ginagawa niya. Kasi parang wala akong gana na mag-vlog kapag ganyan. Yeah. What? Peekaboo! Peekaboo! I love you lang. You'll feel better soon, okay? Okay? My goodness. Sumasakit na rin yung ulo ko, guys. Kasi wala din akong gana kumain. Yan lang. We'll just keep this open all the time para if ever na feeling niya na mag-baby siya, tito. Wala na rin yung conjunctivitis niya, guys. Ano ang kanyang mata? So was it like just one off, like kagabi lang? I would really love to know what's going on, guys, para ma-fix na ba? Kasi it's good to know na wala siyang pneumonia. Ganun. Sabi ng doktor, yung pagsusuka niya, seems like yun nga, ano niya, dito, yung sipon niya ba, very sticky dito sa likuran ng lalamunan niya. So that's the only way na she can get it out, yung pagsuka ba. What's that? Sticker! So, Daddy Mike, tsaka sa Paris, lumabas muna sila. Pumunta sila ng grocery, bumili ng tubig. I told you, George! Alam niyo, pag umiiyak talaga siya, gumagano siya sa hig, tapos ginaano niya ang kanyang ulo ba sa hig. Hi! It hurts me, guys. Alam niyo yun? At yung tatay niya yung nag-carry sa kanya, gumagano siya, oh. But yeah, thankfully, at the moment, parang nag-relax. Asan siya ka? Sobrang iyak niya doon sa hospital, guys. I think, ma-feel siguro niya yung vibe ng hospital ba. Hindi niya type doon. Kaya nga sabi ni Daddy Mike sa doktor, is it, if it's, okay yung chest x-ray niya, and we're thinking about like the, maybe the UTI nga, kailangan ng sample ng kanyang ihi, can we just come home? And you will do it here. Kasi pag doon, palagi talaga siyang umiiyak doon, hindi, non-stop ba? So at least dito, may chance na maging relax siya. May chance kaming makakuha ng kanyang ihi. Nagdididi naman siya, guys. Hindi niya tinitake yung didi niya. No. I'm so sleepy too. Kagabi, 2 o'clock nagising siya, tapos 5 o'clock, and then 6:30. Kaya pinainom namin siya ng Warfarin. What's that? Kasi nakita din naman ng doktor. Sabi ng doktor na, she seems to be fine kapag naglalakad-lakad, nag-ikot-ikot siya doon sa ward. Pero kapag nasa loob siya ng room, doon, nag-aalburuto talaga siya. Yung isang nurse, sabi ng isang nurse na, pag hindi kayo nakakuha ng sample, ay catheter daw nila. Hindi, kasi sabi naman ng doktor na, it's okay na uwi kami. Kaya inuwi na lang. Diba? What's that? Oh, is that your tattoo? That's cute.
A few moments later.
So, it's 4 o'clock na ng hapon, guys. Ang ating baby Celine ay nakatulog. Nilagay ko sa tabi ng tatay niya. Kahit yung tatay niya ay ubo ng ubo, hindi siya nagigising. Pero kahit na hinahawakan, pag sa akin siya, hinahawakan ko, tapos nag-move lang ko ng konti, ay umiiyak na. Pero ayun, sa kanyang tatay, himbing na himbing ang kanyang tulog. Umuulan. Sobrang init ha. It's been really, really hot for the last few days. At, ayan, tropical weather. I've got Ate Paris here. Hello, Ate.
How are you, beautiful?
What are you watching? She has been a really good big sister today. So, every time na umuubo si baby Celine, ay binibigyan niya ako nung lalagyan ng pangsuka ba. Here, mommy, here, mommy. Nagmamadali din siya. I'm happy at least ito siya. Wala ring, like, okay na. Hopefully, baby Celine will feel better very soon as well. And, yeah, so alam niyo ba, tonight sana ay dinner namin ng family ko dito sa Brisbane for my birthday. So, I mentioned sa vlog natin kahapon na wala kaming ginawa sa birthday ko kasi nga they were sick. And, yeah, tonight sana yung dinner. Everything's booked already. Punta sana kami sa Morrison Hotel. Doon kami magdi-dinner. And, yeah, nag-message ako sa family ko this morning kasi meron kaming Facebook group chat. Sabi ko na, sorry, yeah, we have to cancel the dinner tonight kasi we'll take CELINE to the hospital. So, ayun. Hopefully, matuloy-tuloy din yun. If CELINE gets better this week, then we can do it sometime, you know, this weekend coming. So, we'll see. We'll see how everything goes. Oh, I'm super sleepy, guys. Alam niyo ba kanina, naglalaro yung mga kids doon sa Lego. Tapos, naglaro-laro din ako with them. Nakatulog ako. I think nakaidlip ako ng 1 minute. Tapos, nagising ako. Kasi, merong nag-pick up ng, nabenta ko ba online. So, ngayon, imbis na, nakatulog si Baby CELINE tsaka si Daddy Mike doon. Dapat sana matutulog ako, guys. Pero hindi na ako nakakatulog. Kapag, ewan ko lang. Parang pag nagising na yung diwa ko, nahihirapan na akong matulog ulit. And I would love to fall asleep kasi I'm super sleepy. And then, magising na naman ang ating Baby CELINE. Wala na naman. Hindi na naman tayo makakatulog. Yun yung ating mata. Namumulan na rin. It's gonna be very hard taking out the pram bag. It's on the other end. It's 6 o'clock. Where are you going, Paris?
Hi, Bless, remember?
Oh, yes.
Bless
Aww,
is
Bless.
6 o'clock.
I love you. How about to Daddy?
Hi, Bless. Daddy, Bless.
Hey, George! Kiss Daddy. Kiss Daddy?
Love you.
Right there. We're walking kami, guys, kahit around the block lang. Medyo madilim na, oh. Hindi talaga medyo madilim na talaga siya. But CELINE is not crying. Hala, whose electric fan is that?
Okay.
Nag-iwan ng lang.
Mommy just found.
Kaya lalabas namin kasi na buboard sa bahay. I know. Look, it's an airplane, look. Look. Here, look. Oh, there you go. Lini, have a look. I know. Nak, check the mailbox, Nak. I think something's there. Oh, good girl. Yeah?
Next time
There's nothing, Nak?
Yeah.
There's nothing in the mailbox?
Fine. Next time I'm gonna get something in there because I actually paid for something
Paid?
for myself.
What did you buy?
It's actually a Elsa costume. Yeah.
Elsa costume?
I bought it.
How? Do you have money?
I just bought on the phone.
Takar ka.
Remember when you get the magic one on your phone to pay?
Yeah. Did you do it yourself?
That's what you did. That, but just the toys, not the ones.
Did you do it yourself?
No.
Daddy did?
I looked at which one I want.
Yeah,
buy.
but you haven't bought it yet, have you?
I did, but it's just taking a long sleep.
Oh,
That's all.
okay. Nag-online shopping.
Too much sleep.
Online shopping din, kanak.
That's why. That's why it's not.
Go. Lang. Go sit in the pram.
Guess what, Mommy?
A few moments later.
Good gal.
Wow. What happened here? Hala, nilabas na lahat. Here.
That's enough.
Luto tayo ng kanin.
No. That's Mr. Dick.
What did you make now?
Corn and carrots.
Corn and carrots?
And the sushi sauce.
Sushi sauce?
Yeah. Remember that sauce?
Soy sauce.
Soy chili sauce.
Get it nice and mixed.
No.
Okay. That's okay. Look what you're doing, Harris. Look what you're doing.
You don't like it? Okay, no, but you don't have to eat it. Okay. Gentle enough opens the sauce goes everywhere. Rice. So, matay.
Very good.
Tugo na kaayo ko na.
You did a really good job.
Looking yummy.
Looking yummy?
Can I make this tea?
Oh.
Now can I pour it?
Yes, please.
Look what you're doing. Look what you're doing and do it slowly. Yeah, don't rush.
Close. Good girl. Thank you.
Cup. I'm just going to put the cup in.
Harris been a really good girl. She even tried a little bit of the raw carrot.
Did you?
Like she said, it's going to taste better when it's cooked. Okay.
Now why did you try that with rice?
Water.
Mine.
Hi, dito, tita.
Okay. Now, watch out, Harris, okay?
Mine. I
Yeah.
really want to mix it.
You don't need to mix it, mother.
I just want to.
Yeah, you don't need to. Because that's not how you cook rice. Don't worry, I'm going to get you to hot cook. You get to mix these vegetables, okay, when we're finished.
Really?
Cover it. Cover. Put the cover. Whoa! Good job.
Okay. Now what do we do every time when we're finished?
Mix it.
And what do we do every time we're finished doing something?
Good
Put it in
job.
the...
Remember, we clean it first. Because you clean when you're doing it, so you don't have to clean it afterwards.
Look.
Is that right? Yeah. See, so this is what I'm going to do.
Hello,
This.
tita, tito.
You do this now.
I hope
How did
padayon
you
na
do
ni
it?
guys.
How to do it?
She's still,
Yeah,
ano,
you
suki minsan. But, I don't know. Are you just sleepy,
I
girl?
found one rice. What's that?
Alright, Paris, to go. I'm going to get you to come sit in here. Okay, first.
Yeah, may bahay sa Paris dito, guys. So, tingnan niyo. Ala, don't pull it, nak! Lang, don't pull it lang! Don't pull it! Go, have a look inside. Ala, nang guba na.
Alright, let's see you go.
You go! Go inside! Yeah, tingnan niyo, oh. Yung Ate Paris ay decorate pa dito, oh. Ah, tapos ang manghod ay gubaon lang, ah.
Okay.
Wow! Hastang gubuta diri ay. Look! Naglagay pa sa Ate Paris ng ano doon, oh. Kay, sa pamahaw daw niya bukas. Agahan bukas. Yay! What are you drawing, Ling?
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah. Wow. Very nice coloring, my love.
I'm really excited to try your food that you've made. You think it's really good?
Good job. What color is your crayon? Is that purple? Purple?
So you go like that, and then it's hot yet. It's not hot yet. But you never put your finger in.
Wow. This one? Or this one?
Yeah.
Wow. Can you say wow? Say wow. Alayas na si Inday. Bye-bye!